Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Nginwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ka tenat penroisor lengba menteri badai pej ya kini ka tenat ubah senyap halang dahar. Ula kular ba kini ka tenat kan saaya ka jaka ka bahe hado arpo akar ha New Shillong Township sya ka tenat home jail na ka benta ban shnaya ka Central Jail. Uba Alexander Elhek uba pej ya ka tenat home jail habaya keren bat ka Batesi TV uliyat ho bakani ka jing thawla jong ka sarkar ka long hadin ba ka Shillong District Jail ka don menta hapadeng ka jing khap ngia but what ki district jail ki badan shi ki district ba pher jong ka jillaru ki dai ki badang don hapadeng ka jingshna ba ki koidi la shu set lang shijaka ha Shillong District Jail. Shushu ulo ongru baka sarkar jilla kala yo ru daga jingtho ban shnano shen yagani ka Central Jail but hagajo ka por wat ka sarkar padeng ru kala menjor yagani ka jingtmu jong ka sarkar jilla.
See, the thing is, as you all aware, the Shillong Jail is very congested. Even we don't have few district jail also not completed, some of them under construction, so there's no jail at all. So all those inmates has to be kept here only in the Shillong Jail. So the government has already written to get the Central Jail. Also, in principle, the central government also has agreed. Then the land has to be provided by the state government. So this had been called the meeting with the Urban Affairs Minister, the previous one, and also the present one, regarding the land. So they also has agreed to part the land of almost for 20 acres land there in New Shillong for the construction of the Central Jail. Central Jail will be having all the facilities, right from the entertainment, sports, and also other facilities. Estimate cost, now they have been doing the work. The land has not been already, people have agreed. Once they have shown the land, they will do the measurement, do the survey, everything, then only will be able to tell you the exact cost, not exact, the tentative cost can be projected for the construction of the new site of Central Jail. Shillong District Jail, that decision has not been taken, but some part of the administration building will be remain here. By when we have not even done the survey work, we have not even officially allotted the land. They have said that in principle they had agreed to allot the land, but not allotted. In principle has agreed. I will not be able to say exactly where. That is only on the mercy of the Urban Affairs Department, the MUDA, where they allotted the land. If it is seized, it is feasible with the Shillong Central Jail, definitely will accept.